Want to roll back to a previous version of Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can quickly get back to a version that works best for you. But before we dive into that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. First, open your browser and head to the admin panel of your WordPress site. From the left-hand menu, click on Elementor and select Tools. On the Tools page, go to the Version Control tab at the top. Here, you'll see options to roll back Elementor or Elementor Pro. Choose the version you want under Rollback version and click Install. The installation will begin, and once it's done, click on Go to Plugin page. This will take you to the Plugins section, where you'll see that Elementor has been rolled back. You might also see an Update Now button. This just means you're now using an earlier version. That's it. You've successfully rolled back Elementor. If you're ready to bring your website vision to life, Elementor is the perfect place to start. I use it myself. Grab it through my affiliate link and let your creativity flow. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.